Doing a quick little video on the Serialnine shift knob. Got it upside down here. There you go. I'm not sure, but I want to say that that's a billet aluminum thing. So first things first, as far as the impression of it, it has some weight to it. It seems to be all one piece. That's why I was kind of saying billet aluminum. It's threaded in there. You got the Serialnine on the side. It's pretty cool, pretty great. When you get it, I got it. It came with this box. It has some other packaging inside the box, like some confetti and stuff. That's my receipt. But you have a couple things in there. So you got all of these, and the knob itself. So these are going to be the different threads that you can thread it onto. They go under here. In there they thread in. You need a flat head, as you can see. And then you have these. Now these will change the positioning of the shift knob. So if you want it to be higher or lower, you would add these before you thread that in. Me, I want it to be as low as possible, so I'm gonna leave these out. But if you want it to be higher by that much, you add one. If you want to double that, you add two. So I'm gonna leave those out for now. Those you just drop in, and then that's that. And then for the threads, you have different holes, so you can see what sizes and everything that you want to go with, whichever one works for your application. And then you thread that on, make sure that it fits. Then you take it and you thread it into the actual shift knob itself. So I'm gonna go see which one mine's is on the Serialnine transmission or with the GK Tech shifter relocation, and then we'll go from there. All right, so in my 240, we have a Serialnine trans. The interior is not great, so please bear that in mind. I haven't done anything with the interior yet. Still doing a swap. But this is a Circuit Sport shift knob. It is not weighted. It feels like a stick. And that's pretty much it. I got this when I had the RB20 in here. There was a 5-speed, and this is obviously a Serialnine, which is a 6-speed. So I'm gonna take this off and get everything going on this shift knob. And you just twist that off like normal, and it'll come all the way up. Boom, there we go. Now the thing about the Circuit Sports one is it does not have a like height adjustability thing for it like the Serialnine one does. You can kind of see that once you get in there, there's no space. It's not that deep. So there's that. And then, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is part of the... Okay, so once you got all of the shift knob off, then you have this is the GK Tech shifter right here. So you take whichever one you think has the matching inside thread pitch to it, and you just kind of screw it on, see which one fits. Did I get it first try? I think I did. And yes, I actually did get it first try. Cool. So there's that. And you know, if it's bigger or smaller, then you would just use one of the other ones over there. So now that I know which one fits, next thing that you do is you take this, you flip it upside down, you put in whatever spacers you want to put in for it. Me, I want this one to go all the way down, so it could be kind of short, as short as a throwers, or as short of a shifter as possible. I don't want a long one. And then you take yourself a flathead screwdriver and screw it in there. I'm gonna see if I could do this with one hand, but you pretty much just drop it in like so. You know, give it a couple twists so it can catch on the threads. Boom. And then you just screw it all the way in with a flathead. I'm gonna do that off camera. Right. And then once you have that all the way down in there seated, you can see it right there, then you just go on and put it on there and screw it all the way down. And then this one will give me the shortest throw option. I've already shown you guys the spacers, so that'll give you the opportunity to bring it up and stuff. So as you can tell already, this is notably shorter than my Circuit Sports shift knob was. And I like the feeling of that. That's a lot more solid. I'll do a little before and after picture. Let's move that to the half. And yeah, that's it. Serial 9. You know, pretty good.